Welcome back to Fuzzy App, your go-to channel for all things creative and practical. Today, we're diving into one of Canva's exciting new features, interactive polls. This tool is a game changer for designing feedback forms, surveys, and even customer engagement content for all types of businesses. Whether you're in retail, education, or the food industry, Canva's polls can help you gather insights in a visually stunning way. In this tutorial, we'll focus on creating a feedback form for a restaurant business using Canva's new polls feature. Feedback is crucial for any business, as it helps identify strengths, areas for improvement, and customer preferences. More importantly, properly analyzing feedback can lead to actionable insights that drive growth and enhance customer satisfaction. So, let's explore how you can design a professional feedback form with 5 key questions for a restaurant business and make the most of Canva's intuitive features. Let's get started. To begin, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you're new, creating an account is simple and free. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button in the top left corner. From there, select Presentation from the menu on the left, or alternatively, click on the Presentation option directly on the main page. For polls, I recommend choosing a presentation format because it provides a spacious and versatile layout for designing your feedback form. The presentation format gives us ample space to design each poll question, making it ideal for creating professional and engaging feedback forms. Inside the editor, you'll find a variety of templates to choose from, tailored for different themes and purposes. Use filters on the left side to quickly find a template that fits your needs, whether it's a business, creative, or fun theme. Pre-designed templates save time and provide a polished starting point for your project. Layouts come next. These predefined slide structures help you organize content effortlessly. Simply drag and drop to arrange elements, saving you the effort of designing your own layout from scratch. Layouts ensure your design stays clean, consistent, and visually appealing. Styles are another quick way to enhance your presentation. With a single click, you can apply cohesive color and font combinations to give your feedback form a professional and branded look. Styles make it easy to maintain a unified aesthetic across your feedback form. Next, explore the Elements tab. This section includes icons, shapes, and illustrations that you can use to make your design more engaging. Using the right elements adds personality and vibrancy to your feedback form. In the text section, you'll find customizable templates for headings, subheadings, and body text. If you have a brand kit set up, you can align the text styles to your business branding for a professional touch. Finally, let's check out the Upload section. Here, you can add your own images, videos, and audio files to personalize your feedback form. For example, upload a photo of your restaurant to give your form a familiar and relatable feel. Personalizing your design with uploads makes your feedback form more unique and engaging. All right, let's dive into designing our feedback form's cover slide. First, head over to the Layout section in the Design menu. Here's where the magic begins. Let's pick a layout for our opening slide. I'm going for a full image layout to make a bold first impression. Let's check it out. Looks good, right? Now, let's add a food vibe to the design. I'll head to the Elements section, type food in the search bar, and find an image that screams delicious. Got one. I'll pop it into the background frame to set the mood for our restaurant theme. Next, let's make it official. I'm adding the restaurant name, Flavor Heaven, right at the top. Below it, I'll type out Customer Feedback Form. Simple, clear, and to the point. Now comes the fun part, adding some color and effects to make the text pop. I'll tweak the colors and click on the Effects option in the top menu. Let's pick a background effect for the text. It adds just the right touch of professionalism. A few adjustments to the size and position, and voila! Let's take a step back and look. I think we can try another layout to see if something works even better. Back to the layout section. Oh, this new layout looks like it could work perfectly. I'll swap in the background image, adjust the text position, and fine-tune the colors and effects again. Now, let's search for a feedback-related image in the Elements tab. I'll try out a few options to see what fits best. A little trial and error here, but that's the beauty of Canva. So many choices. Got it. This one feels just right. Here's a neat trick. I'll apply the colors from this image to the entire page. Just right-click the image and choose Apply Colors to Page. Nice, isn't it? But wait, let's take it a step further. I'll remove the background of the image using the Background Remover tool in the top menu. Now the image blends perfectly into the design, sitting snugly below the text boxes. Oh, and don't forget, you can add your restaurant logo for a personalized touch. I'll skip that for now, but you should definitely do it if you have one. One last thing. Since the font colors changed when I applied the image colors, I'll readjust them to make sure they stand out nicely. And here's a little flair. I'll curve the text for customer feedback form so it wraps around the image beautifully. There we go. Doesn't it look amazing? This cover slide is vibrant, professional, and perfect for grabbing attention. Before moving to the next slide, I'll change the background color of the opening slide to charcoal black. It complements the overall design idea for this feedback form and adds a sleek, professional look. Now, let's move on to the next slide to create our first feedback question. To do this, I'll add a new slide by clicking the plus button near the current slide at the bottom. For this slide, I'll design it with a photo on one side and the feedback question on the other. Canva provides plenty of photo options in the Elements section, but for this, I'll use two free websites, Envato and Pexels. Both offer a wide variety of free photos, videos, and audio files that are perfect for any project. I've already downloaded some images from these websites and uploaded them to Canva. Heading to the Upload section, I'll select our first photo. Since our first question is about taste, I'll choose a picture of people enjoying food. I'll adjust the photo size and flip it horizontally so the subjects face the feedback question. To do this, I'll select the photo, click on the flip option in the top menu, and choose Flip Horizontally. Once the photo is adjusted, I'll add the feedback question. To do this, I'll search for polls in the Elements tab. Canva offers a wide range of designs to choose from. Let's pick one that suits our style. This one looks great. I'll adjust the size of the poll frame and tweak its appearance if needed. Like increasing or decreasing the corner curves, adding an outline, or even changing the colors of the frame, background, and answers. Now, I'll select the poll frame and click on Edit in the top menu to add our first question and its relative answers. Canva also lets you edit the options and rearrange their positions if needed. There's even an option to add a header at the top, but for this tutorial, we'll disable it and design our header manually. Using the text section, I'll create a custom header with a stylish font. add a background to the text, and position it perfectly to make it stand out. With the first question ready, let's move on and add another slide for the next question. Repeat the process, and you'll have a seamless and visually appealing feedback form. Here's a helpful tip. You can copy the poll and other elements, like text styles, if you want to keep the design consistent across slides. Just change the colors to give each slide its own unique feel while saving time. I'll be using this approach to quickly finish designing the rest of the questions in this feedback form. Now that I've designed all the feedback questions along with a closing page, I've also added slide transitions and animations to the text and photos to make the presentation more engaging. The next step is to create a shareable link so we can send the feedback form to the people whose input we want. To do this, I'll click on the Share button in the top right corner and then select Public View Link to generate a link. Once the link is created, I'll open it in a web browser to show you how it works. You can share the link with multiple people to gather their opinions. When I open the link, the entire feedback form is displayed just as I designed it. I'll review it by going through the form and selecting my options for the questions. Below each poll, you'll notice it says Live, along with the total number of votes or feedback responses received so far. Once the feedback form is completed, I'll show you how to check the responses. For example, let's look at the results for one of the questions. Select the feedback question you want to analyze and click on Responses in the top menu bar. A side panel will open on the left, showing a detailed breakdown of the feedback. You can see the total number of responses, a summary of results in percentage terms, individual responses, along with timestamps. If you want to analyze the data further, there's also an option to download the responses in CSV format. Additionally, you can reset the responses if needed, whether you're not satisfied with the current data or if you want to conduct a fresh survey. And that's it. You now have a beautifully designed feedback form and the tools to gather and analyze valuable insights for your business. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on creating polls using Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know in the comments how you're using Canva's poll feature for your projects. See you in the next video.